Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to create a PowerShell shortcut. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a blank area of your desktop. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag right click and then select mo lang dito yung new and then select mo lang dito yung shortcut. And then pop up itong create shortcut. So dito lang sa type the locations of the item. So type lang natin dito yung PowerShell. And then dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung next. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa type a name for this shortcut. So nasa sayo yan. It's up to you kung anong name yung ilalagay mo. Pwedeng same or pwede mo naman itong baguhin. So let's say baguhin natin na Windows PowerShell. And then, dito lang sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung finish. Okay? So, finish to create the shortcut. So, i-click mo lang itong finish. And then, ito na siya makikita. So, makikita mo na dito na nakapag-create na tayo ng Windows PowerShell shortcut. Alright? So, ito, pwede mong i-pin or pwede mong i-drag dito sa taskbar mga kaibigan. Ano yan? Okay? So, makikita mo dito sa taskbar, nandito na siya. Alright? So, if you want to run as administrator, itong PowerShell, so pwede naman. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. So, dito, sa shortcut na to, kailangan lang natin mag-right click. And then, select lang natin dito yung properties. And then, pop-up itong kanyang Windows PowerShell properties. So, ang next step, dito lang sa shortcut. And then, dito lang sa baba, makikita mo dito yung advanced. So, kailangan mo lang yung i-click. And then, makikita mo kagad dito yung advanced properties. And then run as administrator. So kailangan mo lang i-check tong box. So these options allows you to run this shortcut as an administrator while protecting your computer from unauthorized activity. So dapat ba na naka-run as administrator siya. Okay? And then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then click mo tong apply and then click mo tong okay. Alright? So makikita mo dito na nakapag-create na tayo. Okay, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to create a desktop shortcut of PowerShell. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.